What's the meaning of Billy Bunter? Billy Bunter. Billy Bunter.
Billy Bunter. Billy Bunter. Billy Bunter is a fictional character in a series of books by British author Charles Hamilton. The character is known for his overweight and bumbling nature, often finding himself in comical and embarrassing situations. The term Billy Bunter has since become a cultural reference to someone who is clumsy, foolish, or overweight. It can also be used as an insult to mock someone's lack of intelligence or social grace. The original Billy Bunter books were popular in the first half of the 20th century, but the character has since faded from mainstream culture. Nonetheless, the term Billy Bunter remains in use as a culturally recognizable reference.